Ghost, relocated to a different coast. Top 4 with the team, let's have a toast. Do it big.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is made especially for you guys because I'm at 100 subscribers and I just wanted to thank you guys for subscribing.
Even though you guys won't get to eat these cookies, the people who will, which will be my friends at school and me, will hopefully their love will recuperate your love. I don't know.
Actually, today was a really good day because when I got this jacket, I put my hand in the pocket and I found $25, so, but that's about all I have. But I just wanted to do this to thank you guys. Ignore this because I've been making ice cream. You guys should watch my ice cream video that I made. I have one packet to make. I just got back from school. So I got 2 bags of cookies. This one says about 23 servings and this one says, like, they're both 23 servings. So total it's around 50. So I basically have to half these servings to get like the measurement. A new flavor each week. Last week was the
guava, and I say like the guava is a very good thing to start with. That's what I said in my last video. But for me, I won't have it every single time because it's too sweet, and I really don't like sweet stuff. Even though I'm making cookies right now, like I'm very weird about my like sweet tolerance. And so I got this trilogy. I don't know what's inside, and then I got 2 more mangoes and one cranberry, and I
I'll give it some. Made with real chocolate chips. And I kind of just want to add another egg. Another egg. And more butter.
and Monica's parents. And so she was making a, what's it called? Not a casserole, a lasagna. And then, okay. And then Rachel was like, oh, I'll help. So Monica was just like, put the like pasta parts of the lasagna, like just layered the lasagna, and then she lost her ring in it that she was supposed to, this was at the very beginning, this was like season 1 episode. And then she lost her ring, and then so all the guys had to like eat it. Yeah, that has nothing to do with anything, but still bring it up.
Preheat.
350.
So if I make it 1 tablespoon, it should be good. A little bit smaller than a tablespoon. Okay guys, we have a dilemma. I have 88 cookies and I need to magically appear 12. So I'm gonna work on that now. Thought it was difficult, but I did it. So I used this. My fear is that they're all gonna mush together, but it's fine. It's a thought that matters. And my brother's so sweet. He got me this yesterday. So let me set an alarm. So how have you guys been?
One tray to put in after I take out that. I've been putting my watch, which I literally just got. Like it came here on Friday or Thursday, but then I didn't know it was mine until yesterday. I just thought it was like my brother ordered a package and it just delivered to the house instead of there. And so, thank you so much, Emmanuel. I don't even think you watch my videos because you're just Emmanuel. But thank you. This is just like a thank you video. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to Spencer, Steven, Emmanuel, Mom, Dad, everyone.
Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing. This song is so good. This was from that movie. Was it Ella Enchanted? I think so. Tell me. I'm about to take the last one out. Two and a half hours dedicated to you guys. Thank you guys so much. Let me turn that off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 39, 60. 69, 70, 81, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 85, 86, 87, 88, 100.
Taste test. But it tastes good. Okay, I'm done. 100 cookies later. This song is so funny.
Surprise attack. Comment shout out goes to Caitlin Blue, Grumpy Meatloaf, Lucy Santiago Covers, Emin Mohammed, I'm pretty sure I already did you, Alexis Pike, Cameron Pike, Ashley Figueroa, LT90, Cherish the Way You Sparkle, Sierra Ballard, Zion Garza, and Zion Garza. A comment shout out. Thank you to Ella Sweetney for commenting on one of my videos. So guys, and she brought up something. If you guys have questions of like volunteering, even though last video I was like, oh, I'm not gonna make each video about volunteering and all that stuff, but you can ask me questions about volunteering, especially when I'm not volunteering at the time. So I just wanted to let you know. But thank you guys for commenting on my video. So sweet. Hasta luego. Bless you. Hope you guys love this video.
I swear you never know. I stay busy lately, I've been on a roll. Do some shit we never did before. Yeah, you want it, but I want it more. I feel it coming better, yeah, I'm sure. Changed a lot, not who I was before.